Yearn Finance from New Hype. Why Yearn Finance is becoming exciting now. An altcoin that was once worth over $90,000 and is now around $5,000. Is Yearn Finance dead? Or is it on the verge of a comeback? The answer might surprise you. Yearn Finance has launched something in the background that could change everything. For the first time, long-term investors are getting a say and additional returns. But be careful, a previous bug destroyed part of the treasury. Trust is therefore crucial here. Stay tuned. I'll show you shortly whether Yearn Finance is taking off again or if it remains a relic of the DeFi past. So what exactly happened with Yearn Finance? Yearn Finance is known for its automated yield farming strategies and is currently in the spotlight. In December 2023, it became known that a faulty script deleted 63% of Yearn Finance's treasury. But despite this challenge, there is positive news. The introduction of YFI allows users to maximize their returns. The forecasts for 2025 vary greatly. These developments are extremely relevant. What does this development mean now for the price and trust in Yearn Finance? The introduction of YFI could strengthen community engagement. However, trust has ultimately suffered due to the loss of the treasury. Nevertheless, the price forecasts for 2025 are optimistic. In the long term, Yearn Finance remains an interesting project in the DeFi sector due to its innovative products and strong community. This means that there may be uncertainties in the short term. In the long term, however, Yearn Finance also offers its opportunities. My tip? Observe the developments around Yearn Finance and YFI and watch the community's reaction. My conclusion on the current state of Yearn Finance: it clearly faces some challenges in rebuilding trust. Nevertheless, Yearn Finance continues to show innovation and is a heavyweight in the DeFi sector. By the way, I can highly recommend my analysis of Yearn Finance to you. I will link it for you here. The result is extremely exciting and will surprise you. So enjoy the next video, and we'll see each other soon.